It's another beautiful day. The baby shark cars are happily playing at the playground.
Wow, it's a nice
There are soft trampolines, swings, and fun slides.
Oh my god!
Oh no! An earthquake happens! The yellow shark car quickly hides under the trampoline. The purple shark car jumps off the swing, but a big crack in the ground blocks the way. The earthquake stops, but everything is messy. The playground equipment has fallen over, and there is a huge hole in the ground.
Do that. Okay.
The shark cars decide to go ask for help. When they arrive at the river, they see the little bridge is crooked.
Help me! Come here.
The purple shark car tries to help, but it is too small and not strong enough.
No. Let's go.
The yellow shark car gets a good idea and goes to ask the crane truck for help.
Crane truck.
Huh?
Help me. What are you doing? It's my time.
The crane truck arrives at the river and carefully fixes the bridge.
Yeah.
Then it crosses the river and reaches the garage.
It's amazing.
The crane lifts the crooked roof and puts it back into place. Now the construction vehicles can finally drive out of the garage. Everyone rushes to the playground to repair it together.
Are you ready? Okay.
Dump truck.
The dump truck brings rocks to fill the big hole. The crane fixes the slide. The baby shark cars put the little airplane ride back in place.
Excavator.
The excavator fills dirt into the hole. The bulldozer pushes the sand flat and smooth. Working together, everyone repairs the playground completely. The playground is neat and beautiful again. The construction vehicles safely return to the garage, and the baby shark cars can happily play again. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.